Hey guys, what's going on?
Well, my homies.
Homies. So today I've got Junior with me.
Daddy, we got the diamond.
Black diamond.
That black diamond.
Say that.
Black diamond.
DIA-M6-4B. So these are the Black Diamond 6.5-inch mid-range loudspeakers.
Wait, we open it.
Okay, you open it.
Yeah, check it out. So they is the diamond. They is
The Black Diamond.
the black diamond.
6.5-inch mid-range
See how new wins.
loudspeaker.
Right.
All right. Thank you, bud. All right, so this is the Black Diamond, like we were saying, the 6.5-inch mid-range loudspeaker. Here's the specs on it. It's 1.5-inch Kapton coil with a CCAW. We're making paper figures, but all right. It's got a 30-ounce magnet, 3.2 ohms. It's 250 watts RMS. It's 4 ohms as the actual normal impedance that it is said to be. Then we have 125 hertz to 12,000 kilohertz and 94 dB for sensitivity. This is a great speaker, guys. I mean, for the price that you're going to pay for this thing, you're really going to have a hard time finding something better. Now, I will disclose, this is going to be compared very closely. Okay, so, sneak peek, this is going to be compared in the next video to the DS18 Pro X6BMs because they are made at the same build house, I'll say. But you'll have to watch that video to see how they do. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and hook it up. It's got, well, actually, let me talk about it a little bit. We got a double roll surround pressed paper cone, a aluminum bullet, silver lettering and logo. We have a black stamp steel basket, nice push-on terminals. We have the standard black sticker on the back for them. And we have the 30-ounce magnet with the top and bottom slug. How you call everybody homies?
Because.
Oh, okay. Must be something on Cricket Green that he's watching.
No, I watched a different show.
A different show? Oh, okay. All right, so let's go ahead and hook this one up and see how it sounds.
What is deeper?
What? That's the vise.
Oh.
So you put stuff in it to clamp it down.
What this?
No, that's a pencil. You don't put a pencil in a vise.
It happened.
It'll break.
What, maybe for gold, my painting?
No. All right, let me go ahead and find some music on my phone, and then we'll get this. All right, we're back, and we're going to play some music for you.
Simply the best when you have.
Hold on. We got commercials.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Frustrated, I hear my name, grasping to a life. Life is happy, but it's so sad. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Alright guys, so as you can see from the sound test, these things get super loud, can take lots of power, and they sound amazing. For just a mid-range speaker, they are great. Honestly, you could probably throw these in a car without a tweeter and be happy with them just as is. They're not like a traditional dome-style speaker since they're a bullet style. They sound a lot more precise. They do have a little bit better range, in my opinion. So, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can get these and many other products.